I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2012 Toyota Tacoma X Runner 4-cylinder 2.7 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, another 3/8 extension, 14mm socket, cup type oil filter wrench, funnel, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. An engine oil filter, 5 quarts of 020 full synthetic engine oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. Okay, I have the vehicle jacked up right now. Removing the engine oil filler cap, and immediately I'm going to be putting my funnel in. So we're under the vehicle, removing this oil pan drain plug. It's right in the center of the engine, towards the back of the engine. Putting back the drain plug, I'm going to be reusing the old gasket. If your old gasket is good, just reuse it. Nothing wrong with reusing your old gasket. Okay, so I'm going to be removing the oil filter. It's located on the passenger side, kind of like towards the back side. But it's right over here. You just got to look for it. So I'm using a cup type oil filter wrench to remove it. I'm going to be adding some engine oil into my filter. This is an option if you want to do it or not. And some of this oil, just dab it onto your seal. That way when you tighten up the filter, it just slides on. So I'm going to be cleaning up the block side. Make sure there's no rubber seal stuck onto the block. Just clean it up. Now you can put the new filter on. Using my cup type oil filter wrench. So I lowered the vehicle, adding in my engine oil, adding a can of MOA, removing the funnel, putting on my oil filter cap. Make it really tight, real tight. You don't want that guy vibrating loose. So I'm going to start up the vehicle. Just let it run for a little while. That should be good enough. Okay, so now I'm going to be checking the engine oil level. The dipstick is on the driver's side, front of the engine. Just pull it out, wipe it down, put it back in, pull it out, check the level. Perfect, right up to the full line. So that's how you change oil and oil filter. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.